name?
Yeah, I want to know your full name. Yeah, so what's your full name? Oh, Sibabandwe. What does that mean? Oh, shoot. So I'm blessed to be with you right now. Yeah. No, I feel blessed because you're beautiful, eh?
Thank you.
What up? Reacting to picking up moms in South Africa.
Part two.
By Lebogang Leisa.
Siboneke.
And the part one was very cringy.
See, I'm looking for a sugar mama, and you look like you have a lot of sugar, you know?
I see.
Yeah, I mean, I'm generally into like older women, you know? So can I see your face? Because, you know, 7 times more beautiful, you know? Yeah, like I prefer older, you know? Because you guys are experienced, you know, you guys have the money. So I just want the wife, you know? Yeah, Kika, you know? Oh, you want to sit with me? Yeah, that's so. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lebogang Leisa back at it again. Top 2, but not 2, baby. You guys know the vibe. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe. Man, I see some beautiful moves right now. I mean,
The word of the day today is Ismilo. Ismilo. Nesithunzi. Ukuzotha.
look at that. So guys, let me not waste time. Let's get into the video.
Umama
All the comments.
look
Man, I
at
see
that.
some beautiful moves right now. I mean, look at that. Man, I see some beautiful moves right now. I mean, look at that. So guys, let me not waste time. Let's get into the video.
Hello? How are you? I'm good. Are you familiar with this mall?
Not really.
Yeah, because I'm a bit lost, you know? I've been looking for directions to like your heart.
Oh my gosh. That's
Yeah.
such a cheesy one.
It's not cheesy, man. Yeah, but what's your name?
Siba.
Siba. Wow, I like the whole aesthetic, the fun classes. What's the occasion today? No occasion. Okay, so I feel like you just dressed up for a nice date, you know? And yeah, look at you. Seriously. You know, I think there's something wrong with my eyes because I just can't take them off you. Yeah, what's your name? Can you just stop that speed? You know?
There's nothing wrong with your eyes, boy. Awumqondo.
Inkinga yisibilo. Imfundiso. Iyona inkinga leyo.
Inhlonipho. Nenhlonipho mfana.
Ukungabaza abantu abadala.
Ukungabazi umuntu omdala uthi into enjani.
Okay, let's see.
No, I'm in a hurry going that way, in a hurry going that way. Can I just stop you guys, speed? What's your name? I heard someone saying that, you know, there's a single mom around here. Are they talking about you? Because you know, I'm a single father. And look, listen to me. We both have kids, and I think it would work out, okay? What's your name? Mapule. Yeah, where you from? Because I think you're really stunning. Hey, like I like the outfit, you know.
Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah. So where you from? Like Oak Village. Okay, you're not far from me, eh?
What do you see?
I stay like here in Rodiport, you know.
Oh,
I
good Lord.
So like you come from work because you dressed really nice today. You look like a woman who comes from the office and you look like you're serious about your money, eh? Yeah. And honestly, I'm looking for like a sugar mama to spoil me, you know? So look, you know, I'm a single father.
Actually could have had a chance.
Ukhuluma kakhulu. Ukhuluma kakhulu.
As umuntu athathe off ramp for no reason.
You know, the dating life has been really difficult, you know, as a single father. You know, so like, it's been a while since I took someone out because I've been focusing on the child. And, you know, you don't have to be involved.
Unamanga! Describing Aneko on the child. You lying piece of shit. Unamanga.
But, you know, I'd really like to take you out sometime. Yeah, my name's Leisa, by the way, man. Lebogang.
Yes, she was quiet the whole time, but what the fuck you call it? Soliloquy. What the hell?
My full name?
Yeah, I want to know your full name. Yeah, so what's your full name?
Sibabandwe.
Oh, Sibabalwe. What does that mean? Oh, shoot. So I'm blessed to be with you right now. Yeah. No, I feel blessed because you're beautiful, eh?
Thank you.
We are not getting the land back. Not anytime soon.
Not in this lifetime.
You guys, so now we're in the toy section, man, looking for these
Like a creep.
But you can see
Like a creep.
Man. Aren't you guys buying toys for your children, man? Like, guys, come on. So, you know what? Let me buy this. Let me pick this out and maybe give it to a mom, you know? Guys, we at the nappy section. Still no moms here. Okay. My people, nah? So all the ladies watching, if you still a 2000 and if you still under the age of 23, come how expensive this is, man. Don't become a mom. Otherwise, you know you'll be part of my YouTube video. So let me look for some expensive champagne.
Oh my God.
Fuck.
So can I see your face? Because you know, 7 times more beautiful, you know. Yeah, we'll talk, nah? Like, it was lovely meeting you. Hey guys, I saw you from a distance, and you know you're a beautiful lady. I'm a handsome guy. And wow, yeah. What's your name? Please, what's your name? Bali. Oh wow. Can I just shake your hand, just touch you? Cause I just need that touch of. Wow. So Bali, please just I won't disturb you for long. Like, are you single perhaps?
I'm seeing someone.
Oh, you seeing someone? So you keep seeing them. You guys talk the stage. I was approaching you guys because you know I'm an author and I'm writing a book, you know. So yeah, the book is about phone numbers and I'm just gonna need your phone numbers. Yeah, so that's what the book is about. And I think there's just one more page missing. What's your name?
Samantha.
Oh, Samantha. And then what's your name? Oh, Reese, do you have a boyfriend, maybe? You know, because honestly, I've been single for a while, actually, and I'm getting to that stage in my life where I just need to settle down and find a wife, you know? I'm tired. You know I'm a 2000, but these 2000s just, like, they're not controllable. They're all over the place. They're not loyal, so I just want a wife, you know?
You want a wife?
Yeah. You know. Oh, you want to sit with me? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. There's no ways.
No way.
So you guys are dating? Are you serious? So how long have you guys been busy? How long have you guys been dating? 5 years. But yeah, guys, happy Pride Month, by the way, you know. What? Yeah, shout out to you guys. Enjoy your relationship, you know. For how long have you been single? 5 years. 5 years? Huh? Damn, I've been single. 5 years. What are you looking for in a man?
First thing, I'm not looking.
Oh, shoot. Look this way. Now you're looking.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
Yeah.
I like you.
Now you're looking. Yeah, I see you work here. Probably have money, so I want a sugar mommy as well, you know?
He's chewing you down.
Okay. You know what I've noticed about you? You're afraid to hold eye contact with me. Am I making you nervous? Maybe.
I'm making you nervous.
08232.
Whoa.
Oh, thank you very much.
What's your number? I'm so confused. Your number?
By the way, this is just a prank, you know.
not a prank.
It's called picking up girls. We just shooting. So since like it's a prank and you guys really dating. Yeah, so just beat the camera. But was I smooth?
You tried.
I tried. Out of 10.
That's code for weak.
5.
You tried.
So say hi to the people. Yeah. Marcia, but let me get your name for real so that I can send you the link to the video.
Oh, okay.
No, he's fucking
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
Yeah. Yeah, by the way, you guys, this is just like a prank. Yeah, I'm mic'd up. It's just a joke. There's the camera. You've just been
That's the
shocked.
camera.
True still.
That's the camera. Yeah, it released a movie last year. I think it was Mr. Beast 3.
3.
For some reason, they still think that joke is funny.
Yeah, you've just been shocked.
For some reason, they still think that joke is funny.
Didn't trust one of those people, like, he didn't age well, like, at all.
Yeah,
It was cringy.
yeah. Okay, we're done. That was
So picking up moms.
yeah.
Even as being in van. Hey.
I got the funny idlozi. Lapha kumele khona.
I'm sure.
Lapha kumele khona.
But lesicwaca.
Lesinyama mfana.
Lesicwaca fanele yokeza. Awe. I feel it, guys. So we'll finish it up. Kwabanye, so we'll check more videos. Like us, subscribe, all the good stuff, support. Siqedile sesigrand.
Siyabonga.